We are a full-service construction company specializing in restoration and remodeling in North Central Florida. We've built a solid reputation as a highly ethical, collaborative partner who delivers an exemplary product in a timely and cost-effective manner. Our hands-on management philosophy allows us to work closely with our clients, keeping them intimately involved, worry-free, and up-to-date at every step of their construction project. Each project is assigned a hand-picked team of highly skilled, educated, and certified specialists who have the insight, experience, and ability to meet or exceed our clients' expectations. So call today. Gainesville Restoration and Construction Incorporated, 352-372-1221.